The tactical watch Armies skip, but operators choose. Garmin tactix 8 51mm. You're pinned down, 3 days in, no resupply, phone dead, old watch blinking low battery like it's mocking you. That cold sweat when you realize you're blind without tech. Type gear betrayed if that moment still haunts you. Ever wonder why some guys always come back calm while you're fighting your own kit? That suffocating knot in your chest when the tools you trusted turn to junk in the dark, it's exhausting. Living half-charged, half-ready, always calculating how much longer until everything fails. But what if one piece of gear actually fed on sunlight and never quit on you? Ever? Lean in close, because I'm about to show you the glitch they don't want you finding. Then I strapped the Garmin tactix 851mm on my wrist, and everything got stupid quiet. Sunlight became unlimited battery, 48 days like it's nothing. The Applied Ballistics Elite solver turned me into a damn wizard, dialing shots most guys need a Kestrel in 10 minutes for. Stealth mode made me a ghost. Kill switch wiped me off the map in 1 second. Night vision mode let me own the dark without glowing like a target. Multiband GPS locked me in under triple canopy like I had satellites on payroll. And the 40-meter dive rating, I went from mountain to ocean without changing gear. Almost missed exfil because my old watch lost signal in a canyon. Tactix guided me out like it knew the way home. You feel that little shiver when tech finally feels like an unfair advantage? Stick around, there's a bonus trick at the end that makes operators grin like idiots. Here's the part you can't unsee. Ditch the phone apps, separate ballistic computers, backup GPS units. That's hours saved every week. Hours turn into laser focus. Laser focus turns into performance that scares your own team. Performance turns into results that get you the nod for the hard missions. A Tier 1 guy told me straight, this is the first watch I trust more than my rifle. Influencers are low-key obsessed because it survives their ego trips through hell. Analysts say Garmin built a category of 1. Nobody else even plays in this league. Real users? One SAR dude crawled through mud for 72 hours straight, and the tactix still had juice to spare. I watched my buddy hit a 1,200-yard steel plate first round cold bore with the wrist solver, while everyone else was still fumbling phones. And yeah, people whine it's expensive. Then their cheap watch dies on day 2, and suddenly price isn't the problem, right? Wait till you hear why thousands of triggers literally won't shut up about the one secret setting. Drop Tactix Tribe in the comments if you're already sold. Look, I shouldn't even be telling you this, but the Garmin tactix 851mm is the cheat code the cool kids found, and the rest are still grinding without. Join the ones who already know, the ones walking taller because their wrist is running military-grade sorcery. First link in description. I pinned it to the top so you don't have to dig. Come on, bro, catch up. Your future self is already laughing at how easy this was.